Hello everyone, myself Jasprit Kaur, and today we will discuss about the most important topic of class 10, that is trigonometry. Now first of all, what is the meaning of trigonometry? Trigonometry is a derived from the Greek word which is a combination of two words, that is trigno and metry. Now trigno means triangle and metry means measure. So it is a study of measure of triangle. Now what is the application of trigonometry? So the application of trigonometry is it is used in a planetary motion, in GPS, in ships, and it is also used to find the distance of long building and its height. Now to explain it, we will consider a right angle triangle ABC which is right angled at B. Now to study the concept of trigonometry, we always take the triangle with the right angle. So here angle B is right angle triangle. Now let us suppose this is angle theta. Now what is theta? If we consider, let us consider a initial line. Let us suppose this is an initial line. When we rotate it to some terminal point and from vertex to some point, this is terminal line. So rotation of initial line to terminal line is called angle theta. This definition is done by us in a previous class. Now if this is a theta angle and it is 90 degree angle, now the side opposite to 90 degree angle is always termed as hypotenuse, and the side opposite to angle theta is perpendicular, and this is our base. Now to find out the various T ratio of trigonometry, we have a formula. Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. Now to find the T ratios, sin theta will be P upon H. Here P upon H is let us suppose this is a theta angle A, B, C. This is a right angle triangle. Now this is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Now P upon H is sin theta. Cos theta will be B upon H. This is cos theta, that is B upon H. Tan theta will be P upon B. This is tan theta. Now rest of the three T ratios will be reciprocal of these. As cosecant theta, this is equal to H upon P. Secant theta will be reciprocal of cos theta, so it will be H upon B. And tan theta will be the reciprocal of cot theta, that will be B upon P. So these are the 6 T ratios of the trigonometry. Now, so we have an example in a right angle triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. If AB is 4 cm, BC is 3 cm, AC is 5 cm, then find the T ratio. So first of all, to understand it, let us consider a right angle triangle ABC. So as it is given that angle B is of 90 degree angle and AB is 4 cm, BC is 3 cm, AC is 5 cm. So we have to find the T ratios. Now as we had already known about the perpendicular and base, so because angle B is 90 degree, so AC is our hypotenuse and angle let it be theta. So this is your perpendicular and let it be its base. Now sine solution. We have to find the T ratio. So first of all sine theta. Now let's write the Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Pole Sona Chandi Tole. Now here sine theta will be P upon H. So here P is, let us write it, hypotenuse is 5 centimeter and base is 3 centimeter. So we will write it as, to put these values, perpendicular is 4 centimeter, hypotenuse is 5. So our sine theta will be 4 upon 5. In a similar way, as cosec theta is a reciprocal of sine theta, so cosec theta will be 5 upon 4. Now cos theta. Cos theta as B upon H, that is B is 3 and H is 5. So 3 upon 5. In a similar way, sec theta will be simply H upon B, because it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So H upon B will be 5 upon 3. Now tan theta. Tan theta is P upon B, that means 4 upon 3. Now cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta will be simply 3 upon 4. So in this way we explain all the T ratios in a very easy manner. In a trigonometry there are lots of formula, so to understand them and to learn them it's a very difficult task. Now let us take a method so that it will be an easier way to learn the formulas. Now with the help of this diagram we can easily learn these formulas, or one can say we can derive these formulas. This is tan theta, this is cot theta. Because reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, so reciprocal will be written in front of them. So sin theta reciprocal of cosec theta, cos theta reciprocal of sec theta. So in this way we can draw a diagram. Now let's derive the formulas. First of all we will move in a clockwise direction. So tan theta will be sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta will be cos theta upon cot theta. So we will move in a clockwise direction firstly, after that we will move in a anti-clockwise direction and we will derive the formulas. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, sin theta that will be cos theta upon cot theta, cos theta that will be cot theta upon cosec theta. Now cot theta that will be cosec theta upon sec theta. Now cosec theta that will be sec theta upon tan theta. Sec theta that will be tan theta over sin theta. So in this way we can derive the sec formula. Now with a clockwise direction. Now we will move in an anti-clockwise direction. That is in this way. Now tan theta here will be sec theta upon cosec theta. sec theta, that will be cosec theta upon cot theta. Cosec theta, that will be cot theta over cos theta. Cot theta, that will be cos theta over sin theta. Cos theta, that will be sin theta over tan theta. Sin theta, that will be tan theta over sec theta. So in this way we will derive these 12 formulas with a very easy manner.